Hello everyone. Welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at CodeMode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning about latest in technology. And in today's class, we will learn about cloud computing. Before I start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel, especially if you are watching on YouTube. For complete course and related coding practice, go to our platform my.codemode.us. Let's begin. We all work on computers, tablets, phones, and we store a lot of data files. Now, what happens if something goes wrong with your computer and you are not able to recover the file? You can take a backup on another hard disk or a USB drive, but then you are limited to the storage provided by the USB or another hard disk. Second problem is if you forget that hard disk at your home and you are on vacation, you will not be able to access it. All the files, videos, documents stored on the hard disk is at your home. Now, wouldn't it be nice if there could be a central location where we can move all our files and use it or access it from anywhere in this world? Imagine another hard disk where this is my laptop, and from my laptop I could send these files to another hard disk which is not with me, which is managed by someone else. And then if I move to another location, I should be able to access this. This is what we refer as cloud. Cloud is a fancy name for a group of computers which is accessible via internet, and that those computers are managed by some other companies. It is as simple as that. Now, the power of cloud computing or cloud is that we are renting that hard disk or a group of computers from someone. Whether you pay money or it is free is a secondary question. But these set of computers are managed by a third-party company. Google Drive is an excellent example. Google Drive is nothing but a set of computers which are available to us. We can store our files. It's another hard disk. We are connected via internet, and you can send those files here and I can access these files somewhere else. That is what we refer as cloud. Now, when it comes to storage, when it comes to cloud computing, we are not only talking in terms of storage, we are also talking in terms of processing power, the processor. Remember, the two main parts we are talking about, one is processor and another is memory. So when I talked about and gave an example of storing our files, I am referring only in memory. But later I will talk about how to rent the processing power also of a computer. The another example is Google Doc or Google Document. You can go and create a Google Doc, store your data, and then when you go on a vacation, I go to Hawaii, I should be able to access those files, access the Google Doc, access Google Drive from Hawaii also, from another computer, as long as I am connected to internet. The power of accessing anytime and anywhere is what makes cloud so popular. I can access those files using a browser. I really don't need to install or download anything. As long as I have a browser, I am connected to internet. I can access it from my phone, I can access it from my laptop, I can access it for any other device. Now, these cloud providers automatically back up our data, automatically back up our files. And that way, we don't have to worry about losing our hard disk, something going wrong with our computer and all that part. It's already taken care of by them. Again, in summary, cloud is a fancy word for additional storage given to us by some third-party company. That's all in today's class. If you have any question, post it in the community on my.codemode.us. Also take time to solve the quiz associated with this concept It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I'll see you all in the next class. Keep learning.